Hermawan, and this is my video review about the condition and impact of COVID-19 on rural social and economic change in Asia as the final test Adhika Pramanti Rural Sociology class. The content of this video entitled Pandemic Relief Dying Village in Japan. The videos tell about married couple who are never ready to live in the village. Corona made that wonder, why am I in this world? What is this life of mine for? And finally, they are looking for a place to live in a forgotten village in Japan. At that time, in the next 20 years, the countryside in Japan is precisely to disappear, relating to a book entitled Population Change and Rural Society. Change in the population and the social and economic environment. In other words, it places demographic analysis within a multidisciplinary framework in which the component of population change influence and are influenced by change in social institution, the natural environment, economic development, culture, and public policy. Consider an example of urbanization which can be studied street demographic phenomenon by examining how relative migration rate and natural increase in urban and rural area contribute to faster population growth in cities than in rural area. So the Tisdale 1942. 4 years ago, the Swindle family moved from the UK to Japan. The mother, named Yoko, a graphic designer, and her husband Jason worked as an English teacher. According to Jason, 4 years of struggling with city life began to have a bad impact on him, and he finally proposed to take a vacation to the village so that we can feel the taste of living in the village. 9 years ago, Negi's family moved to Uenohara. They built an organic plantation and also logging. But the pandemic has affected the tourist industry, so they focus on managing their plantation. Mereka made the earthquake in Japan to be their reason for deciding to move first to the village. The Negis family introduced the tenant of the house around the village they live into the Swindle family for their temporary residence. When he was in the village and talked to Negi's family, Swindle family was still hesitant about continuing to live in the village. We are hesitant to abandon there with difficult access. But Negi's family start that you guys have to get out of urban and consumptive habit first to be aware of other eventually. Jason decided to settle in Uenohara because he had the main impulse, which was to not live just like that, and I have to live for one's purpose. I think enough for me. Thanks for watching video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.